The mountains of northern Thailand are home to wild animals, birds, and rare plants in dense tropical jungles. Every year, the entire community take part in conservation efforts to maintain the lush greenery of northern Thailand. Buddhist monks, government officials, local people of all ages, and even foreigners came together as one to help contribute in planting over 15,000 trees.
This is their future.
Yes.
So well done.
The purpose of this conservation project is not just for planting trees. The damage to Thailand's forests is recognized globally as a serious threat to the nation's biodiversity. We want to increase local awareness of why the forest matters so much to Thailand. We're trying to enable local people to carry out similar projects by themselves. This will have a greater impact and make them ultimately sustainable in the long term. Most importantly, it makes everyone mindful of issues regarding global warming and climate change that we face today.